How to start a new notebook in NotebookLM. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a new notebook in NotebookLM. To start a new notebook in NotebookLM, simply open any web browser on your device and in the search bar here type in notebook.google. Now press on enter key to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of NotebookLM. Here ensure that you are logged into your account. Simply click on this Try NotebookLM button at the bottom and then use your Google account to sign into your account. Now here in this page, you will be able to see Create New option. In order to create a new notebook, simply click on this Create New button just above the notebook. And then you will be taken to this page. Here you will be able to see you have started a new notebook. Now after creating the notebook, you can add sources by clicking on this at the center of the interface. This allows you to upload documents, manually input the text or insert the link. If you would like to choose a file, simply click on this choose file option right here and then choose a file. You can also add more source by clicking on this add source button right here at the left side. Here, categorize your notes and sources within this notebook, which makes it easier to manage your research and ideas. Also, you can use the chat feature at the bottom to generate responses or pin relevant information as needed. You'll also get to type it by manually, or you'll also get to search by suggestions. Simply click on this arrow and find new suggestions. After that, you can simply click on it and then you'll be able to get the information related to it. This helps you to streamline your research process. So by following these steps, you should be able to start a new notebook in NotebookLM. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.